something which is nowadays a buzzing word, and if you look at various different locations where AI is being implemented, you will find that people are talking a lot about AI. Okay, now what is AI? Artificial intelligence. The thing is, there is a concern, a growing concern, that whether AI is going to replace a particular student or not. So in my opinion, it is not that AI which is going to replace, but someone who is very much conversant with AI, probably yes. Because nowadays, with AI, you can easily create codes, you can create web pages, you can create PPTs, you can create videos, you can create reels just like that. So the thing is, if now earlier what was happening was that a particular person was having only a single skill, and now because of this AI, a single person is going to have multiple skills. So skills, some of the skills are becoming kind of obsolete, or it will become obsolete in future, but new skills are going to come up. So as a student, if you are not really learning those skills, particularly the AI skills, other people who are learning those skills would probably replace you, and that can create a lot of problem for you. So my advice to all of you, that if you really want to make yourself future ready, make sure that you are AI ready also. Okay, so learn at least 4 to 5 different AI tools, use them and create profiles so that you are made more visible in the area of internet. Okay.